Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the timing belt or the synchronous belt on your Toro Time Master. This also can apply to other rotary motors as well, but specifically I'm going to be showing you this Toro Time Master model I have at home. In order to change the bolt, you're going to need to take this cover off. There are 4 10mm bolts on each of the corners shown here. Once you get that off, you're going to go ahead and unwrap your timing belt and just make sure that the sizes are correct. For this model specifically, I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to purchase that on your own. Then you're going to take your 10mm again and you're going to remove this cover here that is holding on the other belt above the one we're going to be replacing today. Once you get those 10mm bolts out, go ahead and just set that piece off to the side. You're going to be able to move this belt above and take it off without loosening anything underneath the deck. We're moving this out of the way so that we can slide our timing belt. You can then manually move the engagement arm out of the way and hold it with one hand while you slide the timing belt over with the other hand. Once the belt is slid over, you can take the original belt that was above it and slide that back into place how it was before. And then we're going to grab ourselves a 19mm socket, and we're going to remove the bearing that holds the blade under the deck in place. You're either going to want to prop your mower up or reach through the mulcher like I've done here, so that way when you loosen this nut up, the blade doesn't drop all the way down to the floor. Make sure to keep track of the orientation when you remove this part because it is important later on. I ended up taking a 2x6 to put it under the deck just to hold the blade in place so that it didn't fall through the top of the deck and I could get a good thread on it. Once you have the belt lined up, give it a couple of turns just to make sure that everything is seated correctly, and then feed that bolt from underneath the deck back up through and snug it down tight. Once the 19mm is back in place, go ahead and put your cover back on for the top belt with those 10mm bolts that we removed earlier on. Once everything's in place, go ahead and fire the mower back up just to make sure that everything is moving the way that it should before you put that cover back on. If you did everything correctly, then it should look kind of like this. Then you can throw that cover back on and get back to mowing. Hope this video was helpful, guys. Thanks.